Look what I got. It's my pot that I got to try for free from Influenster and the brand Fissler. We got to choose from a number of different pans and things, and this one is the one that I got, and I'm about to show you what it looks like. So underneath all this bubble wrap is the pot, and ironically we needed it, so this is the great option to pick out. It's made in Germany, Fissler, since 1845, and I got this pot with 2 handles, as you could see. I don't know how I'm gonna get this open with one hand, but I'm gonna try. Big box. Hold on a second, I'm gonna open this up with both hands. I'm hoping it's like easy to clean and maintain, because I'm very particular about pots and pans. Maybe we could reuse this or something. All right, and then this is the lid. I mean, on the surface it looks pretty nice. Forgot what the value would be if I were to buy this, but I'll probably look it up. Oh, it's cold. This is like really fancy schmancy. And this is just the lid. And then inside is the rest of it. And, oh, that's nice. This is like a huge booklet about this product or about the company, and I'm probably not going to read it. Well, what does it say about cleaning? It actually has oil. Really? Can you see this? It's kind of dark, but okay. Interesting. Maybe I will try that. Oil and lemon juice. Alright, and then I believe it's all stainless steel. It has a very, very, very nice look to it. And I'm going to try to take this out. I'm probably going to reuse this bag that it came in for like garbage, because I'm always doing that. I try to always remember to use these, especially because we don't have bags anymore unless we buy them at most stores. So yeah, this is like a heavy duty pot from Fissler. Oh, and it tells you the measurements in quarts and liters. So the maximum volume of this pan or pot is 3 quarts or 3 liters, and it has the lines. And I figured this would be good for like pasta, like if Daniel wants pasta. I don't really eat it that much, or like if I want to make something in here. I'm gonna try not to scratch it too much. But yeah, this is really fancy looking and nice. And this one, what's it say on the bottom? Induction. We don't have an induction stove, but hopefully, I thought we could use it on a regular stove. But it says you can use induction, stainless, made in Germany. I'm hoping we can use it on a regular stove because we have a gas stove. And this is like so nice. I'm gonna have to find a nice spot to put it in our kitchen. Maybe I'll put it in my china cabinet. But this is a very, very nice pan. Or pot. I keep saying pan. Pot. It's very good. Nice looking cookware. Good looking cookware. I can't wait to use it. Very nice. I'll leave you the link to the website where you can get these. And maybe I'll find one for this particular model and information for you if you are interested in checking them out. I'm curious to see what the value would be if I would have purchased this instead of getting it for free from them for testing purposes from Fissler and Influencer. And thank you again for sending me this, and I cannot wait to try it and give you my honest review, see how it does with cooking, cleaning, how well the food tastes with it. Does it change the taste in like a negative way? Hopefully not. I mean, I can't picture it doing that, but who really knows? Yeah, so that's that. On the surface, it was very quick and easy to clean. I mean, before I used it, quick and easy to clean. I just used some Dawn dish soap and some warm water. My only complaints is that you can see the fingertips, the finger marks on here. But other than that, it's fine. And I just gotta dust it off a little before I use it. But yeah, I tried it with paper towel. It was very easy to do. I'm gonna be making some chili later. I have to go to the grocery store and buy the rest of my ingredients. But I'm gonna be making a chili tonight for dinner. And there's like some scratches here too. But can't wait to use it to make dinner later. I'm gonna make some chili. I haven't made chili in a while, but I used to make really good chili. My chili is not a traditional chili. It's like my version of a chili, which is traditional to the Fissler. And this one says induction. I don't really know if that makes a difference, but when I Googled that, because we have a gas stove, some places say yes, some places say no. I'm like, whatever, I'll just do whatever and see how it goes. I'm really excited because this, generally speaking, it's a very, very nice pot. It says it's good for braising. I don't really know how to braise, but I'm going to use it for like other things. It's a beautiful pot. And I like how there's like handles here, although like I'll probably use some pot holders. And a nice handle here. Pretty good space. It has the measurements in here. I was a little confused because on the box and on their website, like the app I mean for Influenster, it says 4.1 quarts, but this says 3. So I'm like, what is it? So that confused me. It's a very nice pot. I washed it, so it's ready to go. And I can't wait to use it. So I'm gonna make some chili tonight. I'm gonna get some peppers, some ground beef. I think I'm gonna get some red, kidney beans. Is that it? The red ones? I have cheese. I'm gonna get new sour cream, maybe some chives or something for like taste and garnish. Pretty much got everything else we need. It's gonna be good. I haven't had chili in a while, and it's just gonna be for me and Daniel, so I'm gonna try not to make too much. Yeah, just for the two of us. It's gonna be really nice.